turned. Good job. Ah! Let's show it so you can show Dad. Dad's gonna take a video. Okay? See, Dad's gonna record. Say cheese.
Cheese. Hi, buddy.
Show Daddy how you walk in Mommy's shoes. Wow. Wow, you got Mom's shoes. Good job. Can you turn? You want to do it again? Let's put them facing this direction. Get the first one in. Get the next one in. You ready? Got your balance? Oh, it's so silly, Holden. You are too silly. Mommy's way too silly with you. Holden, I saw you on your bicycle, on your tricycle today.
Yeah, you did good.